Welcome back. Today we are looking at the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 Mid-Tower ATX Airflow Case NZXT H9 Elite Liquid PC Build Review. NZXT H9 Elite Liquid PC build configurations in 2026 demand a balance between aesthetics, thermal efficiency, and extreme hardware compatibility. While the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 Mid-Tower ATX Airflow Case is technically a different chassis class, it has become a strategic airflow companion in high-end H9 Elite-style liquid-cooled systems. Check the video description for the updated price link. Builders increasingly pair these cases in hybrid workstation gaming rigs where GPU thermals, radiator placement, and cable management determine overall system stability. The H7 Flow 2024 is designed with a clear purpose: maximize unrestricted airflow while maintaining a clean, minimalist NZXT aesthetic. In modern liquid-cooled ecosystems featuring RTX 5090 class GPUs and Ryzen 9 or Intel Ultra processors, thermal headroom is no longer optional, it is mandatory. This case provides that foundation. Unlike traditional mid-tower designs, the H7 Flow focuses on open ventilation channels, optimized fan placement, and bottom intake support that directly benefits GPU-intensive workloads such as AI rendering, 3D modeling, and 4K 8K gaming pipelines. When integrated into an NZXT H9 Elite liquid PC build strategy, it acts as a secondary airflow optimization enclosure for auxiliary or workstation-grade components. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 Mid-Tower brings a refined combination of airflow engineering and builder-friendly architecture. It is particularly effective for high-performance liquid-cooled systems where thermal layering matters. High airflow front panel mesh-optimized design reduces intake resistance while improving static pressure efficiency. Pre-installed 3x 120mm fans balanced airflow right out of the box, minimizing additional setup costs. Bottom fans support dedicated GPU cooling pathway, critical for RTX 4050 series thermal control. Advanced cable management rear channel routing improves internal airflow and visual cleanliness. Radiator compatibility supports multiple radiator configurations for hybrid liquid builds. Toolless panels, faster installation, and easier maintenance for system upgrades. This case is engineered for builders who prioritize performance consistency over decorative complexity. In 2026, where GPUs generate extreme thermal loads, bottom intake and unrestricted exhaust paths are not optional features, they are essential system design principles. The standout advantage of the H7 Flow is its optimized thermal pathway. Air enters through the front mesh panel, is accelerated across GPU and motherboard zones, and exits efficiently through the top and rear exhaust points. This directional airflow design reduces heat recycling inside the chassis, a common issue in closed glass-heavy cases. For users building an NZXT H9 Elite liquid PC build ecosystem, this airflow pattern is especially useful when balancing dual system configurations or offloading secondary workloads like encoding, simulation, or background rendering. One of the most overlooked aspects of high-performance PC building is turbulence reduction. The H7 Flow minimizes internal airflow obstruction through strategic spacing between components and PSU shroud optimization. This results in lower GPU hotspot temperatures and improved CPU sustained boost performance. In real-world benchmarking scenarios, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 demonstrates consistent thermal performance improvements over traditional mid-tower designs. When paired with high-end GPUs like RTX 5090 class models and liquid-cooled CPUs, users report noticeably lower peak temperatures during extended gaming and rendering sessions. During sustained workloads such as Unreal Engine compilation, Blender rendering, or AI model training, the case maintains stable internal airflow distribution. This stability is crucial for preventing thermal throttling, especially in compact desk setups where ambient heat buildup is common. Check the link in the description to get yours today.